Honorable Prime Minister, how are you, sir? Miss Abdullah, welcome to Fiji. How are you, sir? We'll just give the official stamp of the meeting.
Excellency. Lingula,
Okay. Honorable Prime Minister, on behalf of Government and all of us, welcome. So good to see you. As I said, you must have brought the good weather with you. So it comes with just a small token to some of the family for waiting to get together. And this particular valley is it's small. It's carved out of a trunk of a mahogany that was blown down by Cyclone Houston. And as I go around the world, I'm trying to draw the attention of people. Thank you once again, sir. There we go. I told you got that? No. Oh, there we go, sir. How are you, sir?
And this is Governor Agata.
Oh, how are you, sir?
Government been in politics for a long time. He's producing the second LNG project in his province. It's going to be one of the seats of Arab or something.
Well, I did visit one of the locations up in the highlands when I was a couple of years ago, where you were drilling for gas.
We're already producing the. He's from this one of our landowners, but he's also a very good friend of Fiji. He's after time he lives here.
Oh, really?
No, Augustine, yeah.
Well, there we go, sir. Augustine, Nimble, is that? Nimble.
And the landowner would be invested.
Oh, there we go.
He's talking to our CEO for.
How are you, sir? Nimble.
Frank Heise is my deputy secretary.
So, you know, really an official from the, and he's from most communities, my High Commissioner. You want it.